Hello, this is Dr. Hemant Jain, consultant gastrosurgeon from Nanavati Hospital, Mumbai. Today we shall discuss the role of surgery in hepatocellular carcinoma. Hepatocellular carcinoma is the most common primary malignancy of liver. The ones considered for surgery are the ones with no evidence of extrahepatic disease or a tumor thrombus in the infrahepatic vena cava or in the main portal vein. In majority of the patients, there is underlying chronic parenchymal liver disease. In this, the prognosis depends on the stage of tumor as well as the extent of cirrhosis. In patients with non-cirrhotic liver, dissection is the treatment of choice. Volumetry is done to assess the volume of the future liver remnant. If it is inadequate, volume augmentation strategies like portal vein embolization with or without transarterial chemoembolization are used. In patients with HCC and underlying parenchymal liver disease, we are essentially dealing with two diseases. The case selection becomes even more complex. There are numerous scoring systems and classifications. Child-Pugh classification is simple and commonly used. It incorporates objective as well as subjective criteria. Cirrhotic patients have a high incidence of post-operative liver failure. Patients with child A cirrhosis can tolerate even major procedures like right or left hepatectomy. Patients with child B cirrhosis can tolerate dissection of one or two liver segments. Beyond that, the risk of post-op liver failure is prohibitive. Patients with decompensated child C cirrhosis won't even tolerate a minor procedure like wedge hepatectomy. Liver transplant is the only hope in them. Liver transplantation, when feasible, is an ideal treatment. It takes care of the tumor as well as underlying parenchymal liver disease. The availability of graft and post-op immunosuppression are an issue. The number of tumors and the size of tumors do have a bearing on the post-op and long-term outcomes as well. With this, I would like to conclude and thank you all as well as Dr. Reddy's and the team at DocMode for taking the initiative and organizing this academic activity. Thank you, take care, stay safe.